In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to embed Google Maps in Notion step by step so you can add interactive maps directly inside your Notion pages. This is perfect if you're managing projects, planning trips, organizing locations for work, or just want a clean way to visualize places without leaving Notion. The best part is that this method is built directly into Notion, so you don't need any extra tools or extensions. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Notion and productivity tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, open Notion and navigate to the workspace where you want to add your Google Map. You can do this in an existing page or by creating a brand new one. To create a new page, click on the New Page option in your sidebar or use the plus button. Give your page a title if you want, something like Locations, Maps, or Project Sites, so it's easy to find later. Once you're inside your Notion page, click anywhere on the page where you want the Google Map to appear. Now, type the / key on your keyboard to open the block command menu. This menu lets you add different types of content blocks to your page. In the search bar that appears, start typing Google Map. As you type, you'll see different embed options show up. Next, click on the option labeled Google Maps. When you select this, Notion will prompt you to add a Google Maps embed. At this point, you'll need to provide a map link from Google Maps. If you already have the link copied, you can paste it right away. If not, quickly open Google Maps in another tab, search for the location you want, and use the Share option to copy the map link. After pasting the Google Maps link into Notion, click on the Highlight or Embed option when prompted. This tells Notion that you want to display the interactive map directly on the page, instead of just showing a plain link. Then, click on Embed Map. Notion will now load the Google Map directly inside your page. Once the map is embedded, you can resize it by dragging the corners, move it around the page, or place it inside columns for a cleaner layout. You can also add text above or below the map to explain what the location is, why it's important, or how it fits into your workflow. This is especially useful for team documentation, travel planning, or client-facing Notion pages. And that's it. You've successfully embedded Google Maps in Notion in just a few clicks. This simple feature can make your Notion pages much more visual, interactive, and useful. If this video saved you time or helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Notion tutorials, tips, and productivity guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.